Here's a comprehensive guide to letrozole, covering all the points you've asked for. Tasha letrozole. Letra. 1. Generic name, drug class, brand name. Generic name, letrozole. Drug class, aromatase inhibitor, anti-neoplastic agent, brand name, Femara. HA2. Definition. Letrozole is an oral nonsteroidal aromatase inhibitor used primarily in the treatment of hormone receptor-positive breast cancer in postmenopausal women. It reduces estrogen production in the body, which helps slow or reverse the growth of certain types of breast tumors that require estrogen to grow. 3. Mechanism of action. Letrozole inhibits the enzyme aromatase, which is responsible for converting androgens produced by the adrenal glands into estrogens. By blocking this enzyme, letrozole reduces estrogen levels in the body, thereby starving estrogen-dependent tumors of the hormone they need to grow. Indications: treatment of hormone receptor-positive breast cancer in postmenopausal women, adjuvant treatment following surgery or radiation, extended adjuvant treatment after 5 years of tamoxifen, treatment of metastatic breast cancer, off-label uses, ovulation induction in women with polycystic ovary syndrome, PCOS, or infertility. 5. Contraindications. Pregnancy, category X, causes fetal harm. Premenopausal women, unless used for ovulation induction. Known hypersensitivity to letrozole or any component of the formulation. Severe liver dysfunction, relative contraindication. Tasha 6. Before taking this medicine, precautions. Inform the doctor if you have liver disease, kidney disease, osteoporosis or bone density issues, high cholesterol, history of stroke or heart disease. Ensure you are not pregnant or planning pregnancy. Use non-hormonal contraception during treatment. 7. How to use. Take by mouth once daily, with or without food. Follow your doctor's instructions carefully. Try to take it at the same time every day. 8. Dosing information. Breast cancer standard dose, 2.5 milligrams once daily. Ovulation induction off-label use, 2.5 to 5 milligrams daily for 5 days starting on day 3 or 5 of the menstrual cycle. Note, dosing may vary based on individual conditions. 9. Misdose, overdose. Misdose, take as soon as you remember. Skip it if it's almost time for the next dose. Do not double dose. Overdose. Seek emergency medical help. Symptoms may include dizziness, weakness, or unusual bleeding. SAT of 10. Stop or avoid taking if you become pregnant, you develop a severe allergic reaction, rash, swelling, breathing difficulty. Your doctor recommends stopping due to severe side effects. 11. Side effects in detail. Common side effects: hot flashes, fatigue, joint or muscle pain, arthralgia, myalgia, headache, nausea, dizziness, sweating, vaginal dryness. Serious side effects: bone thinning, osteoporosis, fractures, high cholesterol, liver dysfunction, elevated liver enzymes, blood clots, heart problems, e.g. chest pain, shortness of breath, mood changes or depression, visual disturbances. 12. Vital information, only for postmenopausal women, except in fertility cases. Do not use during pregnancy. Can reduce bone mineral density, so calcium and vitamin D intake is important. May raise cholesterol levels. Regular monitoring of liver function, cholesterol, and bone density may be needed. 13. Other drugs will affect letrozole. Use caution or consult your doctor if you are taking estrogen-containing medications like hormone replacement therapy or birth control. They reduce the effectiveness of letrozole. Tamoxifen may interfere with letrozole. CY3A4 inhibitors/inducers may alter letrozole levels, e.g. rifampin, carbamazepine, phenytoin, enzyme inducers, e.g. ketoconazole, erythromycin, enzyme inhibitors. Always disclose all medications, herbal supplements, and over-the-counter drugs you are using. Thank you. Have a nice day.